So I'm gonna explain how to prepare kefir drink. What I have here is a plastic bowl and a strainer, plastic spoon, a glass and kefir grains and some milk. We don't use metals for kefir, so that's why we use plastic. But you can use wooden spoon if you have one. And as for milk, I use normal full-fat milk. You can use other animal milk. I've used goat milk, but it became a bit sour, so I prefer cow milk. Apparently you can use skim milk, but it's going to be a bit thin, I hear. Okay, so let's see. Grains. Looks like this. So at the moment the grains are kind of floating at the top. It's quite thick, sometimes more liquidy. And I just put everything in here. Just strain the liquid out of the whole thing. I've read that you need 1 teaspoonful of grains for 1 person, but I use a bit more. It depends on what you like, so if you like thicker or a bit more sour taste, you can add more. So, grains look like that. A bit like cauliflower, but it's kind of slimy and flabby. You can eat it, but it's not tasty at all. And I just put the grains into a glass. Try to get as much as possible. So here is the kefir drink. Okay, so that's ready to consume. And the grains, you just add some milk. And I cover with paper towel, some holes, and just like this, and leave it for 1 whole day, and it will be ready again. Okay, you don't need to change the glass. You can put it back to the original one, but it's a bit yucky, so I just use the new glass and I alternate 2 glasses. You can use a jar and then put the lid not tightly, but just to sort of put it lightly. If you have more grains than you need, you can put them in a separate glass. I just cover it with cling film and put them in the fridge. And every so often, like maybe 2 weeks, I take it out and rinse rinse them in some milk, and again put some milk and put it back into the fridge for emergency or to give some to friends. They multiply quite a bit, like the current weather, which is nice spring weather, like 16 to 20 degree. Yeah, it's best at maybe 16 to 22 centigrade. But in summer, if it's really hot, you can put them in the fridge for half a day, and then put them out half a day, or something like that. You can adjust according to what you like, you know, how you like it, if you prefer thinner one or thick ones. Okay, there it is.